Hello viewers and welcome to a new Tiger Workshop video. Today I'll be repairing my refrigerator. As you can see here, there is too much moisture and this is not normal. Part of the gasket here is also bent, which is another reason why the door won't close properly and it's producing moisture. From this clip, you can see that the doors are definitely uneven and this isn't right. First, I found the model of the refrigerator, and then I went online and searched it up. And this is the refrigerator that we have. So then I searched up door seal, thinking that that was the part that was the issue. And it's not called a door seal, it's called a gasket after looking down. Then after that, I researched the model number with gasket and I found what we needed. After looking through the images and confirming that this was indeed what I was looking for, I went into shopping to see one that has a good price and looks good. And here I was looking for the right gasket, so I chose this one and I bought it. After that, I went into videos to see how to replace the gasket. And so I found this video and it shows how to replace it. After the new gasket arrived, I took off the old one. Here I'm just wiping it off after I took it off, and now I'm gonna replace it with a new one. After replacing it, it seems a lot more firm, and from here you can see that the doors are even. It seems like the replacement has worked. Thank you for watching. Please sub and like and comment what you want to see next.